Mag-isa na lang pala ako sa buhay. Honestly, I'm scared. Kasi anytime soon, I could die. So this is day one of me trying to move on. And the purpose of this is... yeah. For the context, last month, I lost my mom. And until now, I'm still grieving sa pagkawala niya. And then, just few weeks ago, I broke up with my boyfriend, and it was a happy breakup. He just had to settle down abroad for good. So what I'm feeling right now is I'm feeling alone, and there are times na I feel mag-isa na lang pala ako sa buhay, like that. And of course there are mga relapse. Sometimes you would just cry because you miss someone and you don't know what to do. You just want to move on, but you can't. So now, I have an idea. I will document myself para in the future, if I have problems like this, I can just watch it online and I can just watch myself and figure out, okay, ganito palang ginawa ko, so maybe I'll try it again. So the purpose of this video is just to document the things I did or the things I will do to move on, so that in the future, if I have problems like this, I can just scan through it sa YouTube. It's like my template, just in case. Basta. So yeah, this is day one of me trying to move on and trying to figure out how to move on. And so one of the things I do is I fold my clothes. So samahan niyo ako mag-fold ng mga sinampay and talk about something. Yeah, so my mom passed away last August. Today it's already October. So at first I thought I can move on from the loss after 40 days. So it was totally shut down. 40 days, I minimized my social media. I tried to detach from the memories somehow, so that I can move on quickly. And yun, a lot of things I did para makamove on. And so it happens last September, my other half had to leave to other country. So, had to leave. Tama ba yun? Kailangan niyang umalis for good because his family needs him. And so, hindi pa naman ako nakamove on. During that time, hindi pa ako nakamove on from the loss. And here comes another hurt. No, it's not hurt. Here comes another pain. The pain of breakup. Although it was a happy breakup, but I just missed that time because we never fight. We never, maybe small arguments. I miss him, and there are times na I would just, how to describe this? There are times na matutulala ka na lang kasi you would realize, shit, mag-isa na lang pala ako sa buhay. Something like that. Although I have siblings, pero they have their own business already. And I don't know. Maybe it's just me. What I'm feeling right now is I don't want to hang out with anyone yet. Because I have a feeling na they will ask about the loss of my mother, something like that, which from feeling ko, I don't wanna deal with it for now, kasi anytime soon, I might break down, cry, something like that. So, yun. So, konting background, yes, my mom and I are very close. We have a lot of memories together. And then, what else? So yeah, the same as with my boyfriend. I also miss him. And then sometimes I would distract myself para lang makalimot, maka-move on. Um, Yun. So going back, so today's day one, and so far, ang ginawa ko today is lumabas, nagkape. That is how I got this idea na, wait, document ko kaya para at least next time alam ko na paano gawin, how to move on. Or if I have, I experience loss or breakup, maybe, alam ko na paano gawin. And what else? So yeah, I had a coffee, and then I walked. So yeah, I walk in the park, and then so yeah, yun yan lang ata. And yeah, I bought something to lift myself up. So wait, let me show you. Wala lang, binili ko lang siya cause I love anime. Not hardcore fan, pero art is my frustration. Ayan, so binili ko to ayun, to get distracted. Here, it's a shirt, and it's a drawing of bunch of drawing ng fairy tale. So if you're a fan of fairy tale, let me know. Although hindi naman ako fan, but I just love the anime. And what else? So yun. Day one, coffee, walking, buy something for myself, and filming. So, I miss you, Ma. I miss you, Winter. See you soon. What else? So, ayun. Yeah, also, another way to get distracted is magtupi, doing household chores. So far, I also try to learn how to cook. Kasi yun nga, I felt bad for myself na I'm all alone now. I can feel that. I felt bad kasi before, whenever I feel sad or if I have problems, I would always call my mom to talk to her, and we have this strong bonded relationship because every time I vent, she would listen, and then after that, magbibigay siya ng advice. And it would help me to calm down. It would help me to calm down and realize things na, okay, I just have to do this, and so on. So kaya, when she was gone, it was really like I lost a very important person in my life. It's scary right now. What I'm doing is I'm just acknowledging my emotion, because unlike before, wala, disregard ko lang. Pray, yeah, somehow. But now I'm starting to acknowledge my emotion. So if I miss someone, I would, if I miss him, I would message him. If I miss my mom, I would just talk to her. It's just a series of acknowledging my emotion. And then, what else did I do? Yeah, I think isa din yun sa mga ginagawa ko today. Na whenever I feel something, I would let myself feel that emotion or that feeling para hindi siya nagba-bottle up or hindi siya suppress. Honestly, I'm scared. I feel alone. Sometimes I feel lonely. Something like that. Stuck sa thought na, shit, what's next? Something like that. Kasi anytime soon, I could die. And nothing matters. Kasi, parang, yun, yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Pero, bottom line, I lost purpose after losing my mom. And I lost company after breakup. It's like double shot. So we'll see. I hope in the next few days things will be better, that I will become stronger and I will grow. Just hoping for the best, maybe. And then So earlier, while I was on my way dun sa store para bilhin yung shirt, I caught myself crying in the middle of the road. Kasi yun nga, nagka-relapse. So yun, bigla ko na-realize na saan ako magpapasko? Yun, scary, but at the same time, I'm excited. And hopefully, I will make a progress. And in the future, I can just watch this video and then follow this template maybe para maka-move on. And yeah, I guess that's all for today. And tapos na ako sa mga pinatupi ko. This is the last one. And I'll see you in day 2. Tara here. Ito yung mga tinupi ko. Bye-bye.